everyone, my name is Abdulaeva Ayша and I live in Dhaka and I study in Ye.Shahanov school in 7th grade. Today, I present you my presentation about topic the profession I choose. So, you ask, what's the profession? It's a media artist. I spent so long considering this profession. I can't decide to my creative direction. What I think this option is the best fit. So, who is a media artist? I'm gonna tell you now. Media artists are creators of contemporary art who use different programs, technologies, and computer tools to create amazing works. I was attracted to this profession by its freedom of choice and many paths that this profession opens up. Namely, the many collaborations, collections, and cooperations with global companies. So now, I want to talk about history of this profession. From 70s to 90s, the search for definitions. About these years, the terms media art and media artist is beginning to emerge. So now, multimedia era that presents. So now, multimedia artists are working on the intersection of science. Today, their arsenal includes VR, AR, generative arts, and AI. So now I want to talk about a popular people of media artist profession. The first one is James Rosenfield. He's an American contemporary artist of and one of the leading person of American pop arts. He is a full member of the American Academy of Arts and Literature. The second one is Salvador Dali. He's a renowned Spanish surrealist who made the logo for Chupa Chups company. He started his career about 15 years. And the third is Alexander Rodchenko. He was not only a pioneer of modern editing, but he is also one of the pioneers of sewing and purchasing. What quality and what kind of characters are needed to work as a media artist? I have 70 the basic requirements. The first one is gravity. The second one is the passion and hardworking. The third one is the ability to learn new programs. And the fourth is to be open-minded and able to think correctly. Well, I also decided to list the pros and cons of this profession. The pros is a freedom of choices, a variety of projects, remote works, and immediate access to digital worlds. And cons is a sedentary lifestyle, eye strain, irregular working hours, competition, and need for constant learning. Maybe this cause is not good for our lifestyle, but every job has own problems and shortcomings. In Almaty, I found a great university where you can work as a full-fledged media artist. It's a Kazakh National Academy of Arts and named after Timurbenk Turgenev. In this university, it's a program such as media art, digital design, multimedia art, visual communication. So, and I thought the biggest first where you can work as a media artist. It's in creative studios, in an artistic and marketing agency, in film and game industries, in museums and as freelancer or independent artists. Now, I'll show you a career growth of media artists. The first is a junior designer or assistant. The next, a lead media artist, art director or creative director. And the third, you may open your own studios or begin the world famous digital artist. And the job market. Today, media artists are in high demand. Digital content is needed in advertising, social media, education, and entertainment. And here you can see my own works that I draw in local art studio. I go there and take extra lessons. Well, to conclude my speech, I'd like to say interpretation is important to me. It's not a job, but a way to express ideas and change the world through art and technology. That's why media art is my profession and my pride. So, thank you for attention. Take care and have a good day.